What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's video I'm going to do entirely using the new 8-man A80 action cam. I actually have it suction cup mounted to the sunroof of the car right now to give you the view down on the steering wheel. I guess I should probably turn my other light on here to give some more light on the subject, although that's actually blinding me, but let's see how that works. Alright, so the goal of today's video is, now that the car has the summer tires on and it's getting nice out, routinely I want to get my Burnbox installed in the car, and to support the Burnbox I want to replace the blank buttons for the active cruise control, which this car, the Hellcats, don't come with. I want to replace them with the aux button that Z Automotive makes. So in order to do that, based on what I've seen online, it should be a simple matter of using a pry tool to pop this fixture out of the steering column. I have not disconnected the battery or anything like that, so with any luck I will be able to get this to happen, and the airbag won't deploy in my face. So let's see what happens. Okay, looks like the tool I got might be a little too thick here. Ooh. There it goes. Alright, one side. And there we go. And it appears that I actually did not break the tabs on this. I guess there are actual buttons. Not going to be able to see them, but let me go get a flashlight and see if you can see them. Okay, went and got flashlight, so hopefully you'll be able to see this. Here are the little buttons inside the steering column that the Z Automotive buttons are designed to hit. So let's go ahead and get these installed. This one appears to be the middle one. Turn this flashlight off here. Too much light. So try doing this here. There we go. That's in. That was actually pretty painless. You see that each button has a little tab, and for that one what I found easiest was to hook the top tab inside the fixture there, and then just kind of push up on the bottom tab to get it to go in. See if I can do the same with this. Oh, that seems to be. Alright, let's try that one over here. Doesn't seem like they should be, the corner ones should be specific, but who knows. Maybe with these it'll be better to get the bottom one in. Okay. Alright, now I got that thing stuck in there. Wow, this seems like this should be a lot easier. Okay, let's try again. There we go. Like that. Let's go ahead and try to get this last one here in. Oh, that didn't go in right. There we go. There we go. They all seem to be in now, so now let's put the Burnbox in and see if we can program the buttons. Okay, if this works the way it's explained to do the install and how to reprogram the buttons here, you go to audio on the dash. Once you're in audio, you hold the left button. Let's see here. I'm going to start pressing buttons here. So now I push this button. You see it says no function. Light show 1, light show 2, 3, 4. Let's see through all the light shows. Line lock. So I want that button to be programmed to line lock. So I'm done. Now I want this to be programmed. Don't want that. Cool down. That's going to turn the fans on. Let's see, no function. Oh, actually I wanted this to be programmed to the light show. Alright, something's acting weird here. Let's try this again. That's not what I want. Cool down, no. Okay, let's go back through. I don't know why all of a sudden it stops. Okay. Where the hell did line lock go to? I don't know if you'll be able to hear this now, but the intercooler pump just came on. Wow. Hopefully you can hear that. That's the fan and the pump. That's everything on high. Wow. And that's cool down off. So that's working all right. Engine fan on. So apparently I managed to get two buttons programmed to the same function. So let's try this again. All right. Okay, so now that's programmed for line lock, so hopefully that's good. So now let's program this last button for the light show. I want this to be light show 1, so alright, light show 1. So that's that. Alright, so now everything's programmed. So now let me turn the car to the off position. I'll be interested to see whether these buttons work when it's in the off position or if it has to be in run. It would appear for the buttons to work, the car definitely has to be in run. Let me turn this back on again. Just make sure that the buttons still appear to do what they're supposed to do. Alright, so cool down mode is off. Let's see what happens if I hit light show. Nope. You guys probably can't see that. Just a little bit. I'll get out in a second and show you the light show being on. it off. And there it goes. Okay, so here's actually a test of the low light functionality of this camera, and hopefully of my memory. So the Burnbox has been installed, so if I remember how to do the light show with the controller, with the fob, it should be unlock, unlock, lock, unlock. And there you go. There's the this is pretty cool. Even with just the factory lights, it's still pretty cool. Of course, what makes the factory lights the best is because they're not actually the factory lights for the side markers. Those LED lights flashing like that are pretty cool. So, once the light show is on, to turn off the light show by the key fob, it should be just unlock. Oh, I'm sorry, unlock goes to the next light show. And you see that's just flashing back and forth. Right in the corner here. Unlock again should be the next light show. Alright, so I think if I lock the car now, I will get the light show to go off. So there you go. Now the light show's off. That is pretty cool. Alright, well, there you go. Installing the buttons is not that difficult. I had a little problem with a couple of them, but they eventually got installed. Doing the remapping is not that complicated. So there you go. Like I said, everything's all installed. So now the one I'm really looking forward to trying out is the line lock to burn up these tires a little bit. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching.